They think I'll have this ready, but I don't know. Oh, let's see, this is how they could become crazy. Damn, this side is crazy already. I could see. I'm not recording you. Why? But why are you bothering me if I'm on public sidewalk?
Why are we bothering you?
Yeah.
Because it looks like you're recording us.
Because I'm recording something in here.
Am I in the video?
No.
Are you sure? Because I stared at you directly for a couple of minutes.
No, but you're not important. I'm not recording you.
Do you have a problem around recording us? Do you have a problem?
No, I'm recording. This is public sidewalk.
No, I'm just asking, like, what's up?
They're the ones who got edited. I don't know what's wrong with them.
No, I'm just asking what's going on.
I'm filming the structure of the building. Because it's beautiful and they're acting aggressive.
Oh, pues entonces ya no.
Huh?
Then don't record if they're acting aggressive.
Because I like how it looks. That's why I'm a photographer.
Oh yeah, that's fine. But if they're already minding about it, then I would just suggest not to do it if they're already, being aggressive.
All right, I'm gonna finish. I'm gonna just take on the pictures on the other side.
Yeah, go ahead and take.
But I'm not recording them. They're the ones who's talking to me. This is a public sidewalk.
Just walk
Huh?
away. Just walk away.
Yeah, I know I'm gonna finish my business.
So I would just suggest to stop recording and then just come back another time when
Why, can I ask you, why are they getting aggressive over a simple camera?
I wouldn't know.
Because I'm just taking pictures of the place. I'm a photographer.
You could actually ask our boss if you'd like to take pictures of the place too.
Okay. But I'm going to leave because they seem aggressive. I'm going to go that way down because I...
Stop recording though.
Huh?
You should stop recording, that way you can avoid the escalation. That's what we're trying to.
No, I'm going to record, but I'm going to go straight. I'm not going to record them. But thanks for doing your job.
Yeah, I'll just I don't want it to escalate a little bit.
Okay. Because I don't know what's wrong with them. I'm just filming the building. Okay, what was your name? Can I know?
I don't want to be recorded either. Alright?
But you work here. You told me, and I did like you told me. I helped you because I not I could have stayed there more.
What are you filming now? That's not the
And you can't do
Like
nothing.
I said before, my suggestion to you is to stop recording. I don't want it to escalate. I'm just trying to do my job, and I think this is pretty messed up.
But this is crazy. This is customers. You're not supposed to do that. I don't act like that when I go to eat. And someone is filming me, I'll tell them I'll be happy.
Listen, honestly, if they're really upset about it, I would just suggest not to keep recording. Why would you Why would you bring yourself that much trouble over a video? Is it that worth it over your day?
No, but if it gets,
I honestly don't think it's worth
I'll
ruining
defend
your day
myself.
over it.
Yeah.
Defenderte, no te están peleando,
No, but if they attack me,
Simplemente,
that's different.
We have the right as a person, as an individual, to tell you, hey man, I don't feel comfortable you recording me. Can you please stop? And since you
But you gotta understand, in my shoes, you can't tell me what to do. I'm
the
a
thing is that I'm
individual.
I'm not here to understand each and every person. I'm here to try and de-escalate the situation. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, but you're telling me some things that I don't like.
That's fine. You don't have to like what I have to tell you.
But I'm leaving already because they're crazy. I don't want to waste my time with crazy people. All right, thank you. So this is what they do, everybody. They were there. It feels good. Thank you everyone for that support. I'm getting to a point where filming, they're crazy. They go crazy over a simple camera. Thank you, everybody. Go ahead and subscribe, and I'm out. Thank you for the support. Peace. I'll go. I don't care. I'm doing shit. Look at this park here legally. No, that's illegal, bro. This car is parked illegally. Look at this thing. We'll see right now. Well, they think they're a little street. I don't know why, but that's not how it works here. They think it's little. Oh, there was a deer, I think, inside the car. It's not on a train. Once they spot me, it's easy. I spotted nothing here.
Basically, it's $12 for 2 buns and fries, or for 3 buns and fries. Which is what the combo used to be anything. Yeah. Or else 2 buns. And that's why I was asking if you wanted to share your fries. But you phrased it, yeah, yeah.
I think they passed. I don't know if they really passed, but it looks like they passed here. More are getting in business. Let's see this place. Let's see. Okay.